Hey everybody, Nate with 911 Rapid Response. Welcome back. We have a quick vehicle showcase for you here today, Ford F-350 chassis. This vehicle has a custom stake body that was manufactured by Vengeant Apparatus. So much thanks to them, and we'll go over that briefly. But vehicle is upfitted for Lehigh County Authority. So public works vehicle, upfitted with amber lighting, 2 Whelen T-ions in the grille. And we've got a Whelen Mini Century 23-inch light bar. The permanent mount on the roof. Warning lights are easily activated on battery power via a switch on the dash. And then we have our fabricated stake body here. Again, manufactured by our friends at Vengeant Apparatus, so great job done by them. Getting this project done, nailed down for the application. In conjunction with the stake body, we've also got a Tommy gate installed on the rear of the vehicle. And to complement the warning, we have another pair of Whelen T-ions mounted on the rear. So again, quick showcase. Just another thing that we can do here, 911 Rapid Response, Vengeant Apparatus. Make sure you check us out on all of our social media outlets. Thanks for following along, and give us a call at 717-473-3843 if we can answer any questions for you. We'll see you next time.